Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pantera Down 2. Got a new client today for a new computer build, and I just want to share with you the build. Starting off with the Corsair 200R case. Budget case, very nice, toolless design. Enthusiast builder case, I love it. Built with it before, it's very good. Next up, we got the Thermaltake Smart M750 watt power supply, fully modular. As you can see, it just has the hardwired wires that you need. 750 watt, 5-year warranty, pretty nice. Great power supply, and we got it at a great deal too. Our standard hard drive, 1 terabyte Western Digital, just a regular 7200 RPM hard drive. The client wanted to pop for this LG OEM Blu-ray player. It was only $50, so he was like, "Yes, that's a great deal. Want that Blu-ray player?" He said. No, not really exactly like that. But got a nice PCI Express wireless N adapter, network adapter. Here's a great deal on a Samsung 120 gigabyte SSD. It was like $90. Pretty good deal. He wasn't even expecting that I'd suggest putting in SSD because it can be kind of affordable. We were going to go with the 64 gigabyte, but the Samsung at $89 was hard to pass up with the 120 gigabyte. So picked that up. Picked up 16 gigabytes of Corsair 1600 megahertz Dominator RAM. Fry's kind of messed up on this one, where they told us that they had a $120 kit by Patriot, and then they didn't have it. So they upgraded us to the Dominator RAM, which is normally $130. They took $10 off of this just because they were wrong. So that was cool. And then we got the CPU here. Fry's fucked up again and sold us a 8320, and it was used, and it had bent pins on the CPU. It had like heatsink paste all over the CPU. The heatsink paste was spread, you know, all over the bottom of the heatsink. It was just a disaster. So I was like, screw this mess, and return that. And then the client wanted the faster, it's like 500 megahertz faster, 8350. So he popped for the extra money. He wanted it. Can't tell the client no. And then while we were there exchanging the CPU, he wanted to get a graphics card. He really wanted to get a graphics card. He didn't want to spend $250 or $300. He's running like a flight sim, an old flight sim, which is kind of weird. I think he should upgrade to like a newer flight sim, maybe. I don't know, because he said his flight sim is like 6 years old, which seems strange. But he also does some video editing and all that, and this will do nicely. You know, 7850, twin Frozr, 2 gigabyte MSI graphics card. Pretty nice. It was like $185. Not a bad price. It came with a $15 mail-in rebate. Not so bad. One second, I forgot one other important part. I'm just gonna come over here and grab. I forgot this over here. Okay. Sorry about that. Motherboard. Motherboard is by MSI. It's a 970A G43. Not the motherboard I would have liked to have gone with. The client really didn't want to spend too much on a motherboard. He seemed to be mostly interested in processor. Mostly. Like he really wants a powerful processor. Which is fine. Whatever the client wants, right? That's what I'm all about, because that's what I'm here for. Building the computer for the client. So this is the entire package here. What I'm building for the client. Hopefully have it done tomorrow. Build it probably tonight, and then he's gonna bring over a copy of Windows. I'll install that. Blah blah blah. And yeah, I'll be sure to do a video after I'm done to show the whole thing all totally built and in the case. And that's it. Thanks for watching this quick pre-build of pretty much the first client that I'm building for since advertising on Craigslist. Pretty cool. I'm excited to finally start building PCs for people, and this is the first one. So stay tuned for the video when this is all complete. Alright. Follow me on Pantera Down 2 follow me at Pantera Down 2 on Twitter. And check out the video when this is all put together. Thanks. See ya. Bye.